Hi guys, so the best bodies are made in the winter, and since I am a gym girly, I think of myself as a gym girly. I feel like it would be a great time to do what's in my gym bag because I know everybody's going to be doing their winter arc, their 75 hard, and once New Year's come, everybody is going to have New Year's resolutions of going to the gym, staying consistent, and being fit. So I want to show you guys what's in my bag. And I think I've been going to the gym consistently now for since 2022. So it's been 2 years, I think. I'm not sure. I've been falling off these last few weeks, but we'll get back on it. So this is my gym bag. I think I got it for like 15 bucks on Amazon, and I'll link all the stuff in the description box because majority of the stuff that I got is from Amazon. So in this pocket area, which my headphones is normally in, which is why I couldn't find them, is my headphones. This is my headphones. I actually am not a fan of these headphones. I feel like the quality is very low, but because I paid $24.99 for it and my other headphones, one of them don't work anymore, I'm gonna use it till the wheels falls off, and then I'll probably upgrade and get a different headphones. And these are just the ones that I can put around my ear. I find that when I'm working out, especially when I'm doing cardio, these are the best ones. I don't like finagling with the cord in my phone, so it makes it easier and better for me. And I don't like the big bulky headphones either. I feel like after a while, especially being at the gym, your sweat gets into them and it makes your ears and head hurt. So that's that. And then I have some candy. So I have 4 cough drops in my bag, and I normally keep cough drops in my bag because sometimes I'm at the gym and I feel like I need a boost of energy, like something sweet to like get me through my workout, and I normally just eat a cough drop. Some people normally bring candy and stuff, but I find that it's too much sugar. I keep it at a cough drop because the calorie count is super low, and I can stand eating 1 to 2 of those or even 4 of those and not worried about my calorie intake being off after I leave the gym. I also don't suggest drinking coffee with cream and all that stuff if you're trying to boost your energy. It has to be like black coffee to reduce your number of calorie intake. So this is the next part I'm going to open. This is the part that I normally keep my keys in, but this, I have my Tower 28. So this is the travel size one. I have a bigger size one in my bathroom, and I normally spray this on my face when I'm at the gym because I have acne prone skin, and I find that I touch the equipment, touch my hands, touch my face, scratch my back and stuff like that at the gym, and I use this just to prevent my face getting messed up. So this is what I spray. This is a anti-syphilis. I don't even remember the exact name, but this soothe, purify and renew your skin. This is a HAPA solution for angry skin. Use PM or AM before moisturizer for all skin types, especially sensitive skin type. And I have sensitive skin. I have real sensitive skin. So this is what I spray on my face, especially when I'm sweaty and I feel like my sweat is going to break me out, or the dirt on these gym equipment is going to break me out. I have a makeup remover wipes. I've had this in here forever. I think I got that from a hotel and I just sticked it in my bag. I have this. This is the Righteous Butter. Honestly, the Righteous Butter is not what's in here. I have the EOS Vanilla Balm in this, and I just put it in this because it's a nice travel size. The next thing I have are these. So I go to a very Caucasus gym. There's a lot of white people that goes to my gym, and I don't know, sometimes they make me uncomfortable. But anyways, especially with the type of shirts and memorabilia and stuff that I be wearing to the gym, because I really don't care. Yeah, I have a taser, which I keep on hand in my gym bag. And I also have pepper spray. This is pepper spray. It comes in a safety kit that I've had for years now. I think it's now time for me to upgrade to actually getting a gun. And that's what we're gonna be working on for 2025. Anyways, so that's in that part of my gym bag. The only other part that has a zip or like a closing is this one right here, and this is what it looks like. So the only thing I have in here is this travel size advanced care cool essential deodorant. This is a travel size one, and I have a hair tie in here because you always need a hair tie. And I have a panty shield. That's in my bag. Alright, let's open the big part now. This is how it looks. It's just a drawstring, simple bag. First things first, I got a hoodie. And I think I got this hoodie from Shein. I've had this hoodie forever now. So, I got this hoodie. The next big thing is my belt. So I got this belt from Amazon, and I've had this belt for years, and it has really helped the way that I train. Especially now that I train, I cycle sync my training. So I'm a girl, I get my period, and I have my week. The week of my period, I do not do any heavy lifting. I simply keep it cardio, core, and light weights. So when it's like my ovulating stage and I can lift really heavy, I'm at my strongest, I feel like this helps me a lot with stabilizing my core, and it helps me get the job done. So I got a weighted belt, a gym belt, and this is from Amazon, and the reason why I like it is because it's adjustable and it allows me to fit my stomach regardless of what my body is going through. So whether I'm bloated, whether I'm at my most ripped, whether I'm going through it, okay, it allows me to get my waist or my core stabilized. And the adjustable holes are big. Like, babe can literally wear this big and it fits him. But my gym belt, I absolutely love this, and this was a great investment for me personally because I've had it for years and it's almost in mint pristine condition. So that's that. The next thing I have, if I can find the other one, that would be great. So the next thing is these, and these are my gym clips. So normally the gym have their own, and it's just some silver ones, regular ones that, and I'll put a picture of them in here somewhere. But quite honestly, every time that I go to the gym, because I go in the morning where it's most active or most people go, Every time I go to the gym and I need a barbell clip, they're never available. So I bought my own, and I got them in pink. These are the bigger ones, and I got the smaller version in purple, and both of these are also from Amazon. Shameless plug, because I'm going to put affiliate links in the description box. If you don't want me getting paid from Amazon, don't use the affiliate links. Just look it up on Amazon, and I'm sure you'll find it. And my gloves. So after a while of going to the gym very consistently, almost every day, I realized that I was starting to get corns on my hand, especially if you're lifting heavy weights and you're trying to do a body recomp and lose weight and stuff. You're going to have to lift some heavy weights. So I found that I was getting corns on my hand, and even now I still have what looks like or feel like corn to me, because I wasn't wearing gloves for the longest time. Why? I don't know. But anyways, these are the gloves that I got, and these are from Affliate. And when I tell you I love these gloves, I love these gloves. I really need to replace these gloves, but every time I go on Amazon to replace them, they're out of stock. So there's a hole in the hand part right here, but I still use them. And the reason why I love them is because right here, if you're starting to lift and your hands are not as hard, or it's difficult for you to grip, this have a cushion right here in the hand part that's going to help you with that, which is why I love these gloves. And I also love the fact that they expose my fingernails. I find that sometimes I don't like the full hand one that comes all the way down to your nails. It's just not me. This just comes to like right here off my fingers. And maybe because I'm sweaty now. I never used to sweat at the gym, and I just think it's because I'm getting older. Now I sweat, I sweat so much. Anyways, I got my wallet in here. The next thing I got in here are, this is just a mess. I need to put back all the stuff in where it belongs. These are my lifting gloves. These are the new ones that I have, and I'm not going to say I recommend these because I've only had these for a little while. I think I have these for a year, and they're already coming apart. So I like the design of them because my hands are not covered at all. So this is how it looks on my hand. I like that, and I like that it stabilizes my wrists with this kind of like wrist strap, but it's falling apart, so I can't say I recommend this, but I'll definitely link it still if you guys want to try it out. But this is not for long term. It's already falling apart. Yeah, no. Then the next thing I got is wrist straps, and this also helps you lift heavier. I haven't started using these. These came in a kit with some other things. I just like to use my regular gloves and keep it simple. There is a learning curve with using wrist strap, which is why I think I haven't started using them yet, but that's there. And then this is, these are my ankle, I don't even remember what these are called, but you use these at your ankle. They also have these at my gym, but every time I go get them or try to use them, especially on a Monday. I think everybody's always doing legs on a Monday. So every time I go to the gym to go get them or use them, they're never available. Can't find them. So instead of going through the hassle, I bought my own. So wrist straps or ankle straps, I bought my own. They're black and pink. Love it. And my ankle straps and these come in a kit together, which is why I have them. And they come in this bag, so I need to actually put back the stuff in the bag where it goes. I have a rag to wipe my face, and I don't know why I have Milani's jump socks from Defy or Sky Zone in my bag, but hey, here we go. Then I have another jacket in here, the famous BBL jacket. That's what they call it. This is actually from Shein. This is not from Lululemon. This is from Shein. I think it was like $10, but yeah, definitely from Shein. And then I have some shorts. I'm a girl, I get periods. My leggings tore out one time, like something always happens, so I have gym shorts in my bag just in case. What else is in here? Okay, I have another one of these. What's this? I don't know why my portable, I've been looking for this mess. I even bought a new one. This is my portable hair dryer. I don't know why it's in here, but it's not supposed to be in here. Anyways, so now that I did this video, I can go organize my gym bag the way it's supposed to be. So if you guys were ever wondering what's in my gym bag or what do you think you're going to need if you're going to start going to the gym, that's it. Cute, simple, easy. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.